Alright, so today we're going to be having a small tip for the ladies. Pretty much, if you've seen, I don't know if you can see that white stain right there, but it's we see a lot of cars, especially if it's the ladies' vehicle. A lot of people think the panels is fading, or the color, the colors are just fading out the steering wheel. Actually, this is actually normal wear, just because whenever especially we see in most vehicles for females, you do have excess makeup, powder laying around in most places, and there's actually a very easy solution to that, and that is using the greaser. That is not too strong. I mean, you don't want anything to damage the panels, the leather or anything. But it's before you're doing, especially if you have leather, you're gonna do an application in order to treat the leather. You want to definitely clean it off very well, very properly. So you want to have something that's watered down. This one is watered down. It's really almost 20% only the greaser, and the rest is water. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to clean this marks right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's usually because when you're grabbing on the steering wheel, it's possible you put up your makeup and you clean your hands and stuff, but this makeup is supposed to attach to your body, so it's not going to be that easy, but it will stick to panels. So we do have a little bit on the door trims and the handles, but I'm going to teach you this one. I'm going to show you how to do this one, and this bottle is like $11, so it's really good brand, Purple Power, really good stuff. Let's see, put this over here. So pretty much, there we go, that should be good. So pretty much you're gonna grab any piece of cloth. This one is a little bit dirty, but it's gonna do the trick. What you want to do, spray it on the piece of cloth, not directly, because you know how strong that is gonna be, and just scrub a little bit, and you can see it's starting to go away. You're gonna need a little more friction power in order to get rid of that properly. You can do a little Indian burns. See, that one's really, especially on the steering wheel. Just clean that off. But you'll be able to restore the steering wheel to its previous condition. And after you do this application, obviously you want to get a good leather treatment application in order to protect the leather, keep it stretchy, keep it fresh, so it won't tear apart, even will look good for years. Especially here, the summer heat in Texas is horrible, so you actually tend to see this more, because that's when people are really using their vehicles most to go out. They're getting pretty to go out, so you do see more of this stuff everywhere. So I'm not gonna do the whole steering wheel, I just want to show you. And there you can see, now it's a little dull, just because what it's doing is pretty much open up the pores, clean very well. Then you're gonna come back with a leather application and clean it off very well, add some shine to it, and have the sealer on it. But just to show you, so so pretty much you can see how clean that is in comparison to this. You see right here, so you see this white area, then you see how different. So technically, just doing little Purple Power, you'll be able to clean the rest. And also here's a perfect example. This one should be really good. So you can see it's supposed to be this color. Give me one second. So pretty much we're gonna spray it directly, and we're gonna do this. It's dirty, but my rag is dirty, but this is meant to clean off. You can see already how it's restoring. Sometimes you actually want to let it sit. Also, you don't want to use a rag too aggressive. You can see how it's being restored. See, and pretty much you're gonna do this to the rest of the vehicle. You got a message here. Now with setting up. Let's see. That's just a quick clean. I'm actually gonna do this throughout the whole vehicle, but I mean, you've seen it for yourself. Look at the change. You see? It's a lot cleaner. We have removed it. We have restored the color. And yeah, I mean, it's really good for cleaning up almost anything. You don't want to apply any chemical directly to any panel just because you don't know the strength of it until you figure out. Like here, you see the button, so they have white powder. You pretty much you want to, well, you cannot do this really with a lot of cars just because you see how it's taking off all that white excess paint or powder that's throughout the whole vehicle. And like I said, that's just because you're using the controllers and it's getting dirty. See how that's restoring all that off button. I'm sure you can see the off button, but it's we're just gonna clean that. And this purple power is not too aggressive as long as you use it properly. And look at that, you can restore almost anything. Like I said, just be very careful. You know, panels like this, just taking all of that stuff off. It doesn't take much in order to do that, but anyways, ladies, if you have any you know, powder or any stuff that has built onto your individual panels, such as, you know, doors, steering wheels and other stuff, just but this is going to last you at least 5 years if you're not constantly using it. Like, we go through this like at least twice every 2 months. We buy a new one. So yeah, if you're not using it for commercial, this thing should last you at least 5 years. But yeah, just do one application at least every 6 months and it should be good. Just apply a good you know, good Armor or what is that other one now, liquid ice from turtle wax, and you'll be able to restore and make your car look spanking, not as spanking new, but definitely a lot better. If you're looking for professionals to do it, give us a call. We do work with Speed Hand Car Wash. They are our source for detailing, and they do a great job, and they will be able to do even a better job. I mean, we don't really specialize on detailing, but we know a few things here and there. And but definitely they are the guys, they are the experts to contact. And yeah, just give us a call. Auto Helpers, 281-678-7494. Thank you.